Nobody expected Honda to do this. The Legend has been dead for years, quietly dropped, forgotten, replaced by crossovers and hybrids, and then Honda shows up at the auto show with this, a full sedan that looks like it costs twice what Honda is asking for it, and people are losing their minds over it. So let's talk about what Honda just built. This is the 2026 Honda Legend, and if you think you've seen everything Honda can do, you haven't. Quick history. The Honda Legend was once Honda's flagship, a big, premium sedan sitting at the very top of the lineup. In some markets sold as the Acura Legend. It was the car that showed the world Honda could build something sophisticated, something refined. But over time, it faded. The market shifted to SUVs, sedans stopped selling. Honda let the Legend go. Quiet. Now it's back, and Honda clearly wanted to make a statement. Let's start with what you're looking at. The color on this car is a deep ocean teal. Not green, not blue, somewhere right in between. It shifts depending on the light. Under bright show lights, it almost looks like a dark turquoise. In shadow, it goes deeper, closer to midnight blue. It's one of those colors that photographs beautifully from every angle, and Honda absolutely knew what they were doing when they chose it for the reveal. The body itself is long and low. This is a proper sedan shape, not a crossover, not an SUV. 4 doors, a proper trunk, a long hood, and a roofline that sweeps back cleanly into the rear. From the side, the profile is almost coupe-like. The greenhouse is slim and athletic. There's a subtle chrome trim line running along the bottom of the windows, connecting the car visually from front to rear. Small detail, big impact. The wheels are multi-spoke black alloys, and from the top-down view, a massive panoramic glass roof covering almost the entire roof panel. That is a lot of glass. It makes the cabin feel open and bright, and from outside, it gives the car a premium, almost European feel. Up front, Honda went aggressive. A wide, flat grille finished in gloss black with a diamond geometric pattern. Sharp, angular, filling the entire front of the car. The headlights are slim and precise, with bright white LED running lights cutting across each corner. The front bumper has large side air intakes and a chin spoiler sitting very close to the ground. This is not a soft, safe design. Honda went sharp, Honda went bold. The rear is clean, but dramatic. Full-width LED taillights stretch from one edge to the other, one single glowing red bar. Below that, a black diffuser panel with clean horizontal fins. Honda badge centered on the trunk lid. No clutter, no noise. Just a confident, well-proportioned rear end that looks like it belongs on a car that costs significantly more. Now, under the hood, the 2026 Legend comes with Honda's Sport Hybrid system, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with 2 electric motors. Combined output around 370 horsepower, routed through Honda's Sport Hybrid AWD, meaning all 4 wheels get power independently. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.7 seconds. For a full-size sedan with a Honda badge, that is genuinely fast. And it's not just about straight-line speed. The dual-motor AWD setup allows Honda to independently control torque to each rear wheel, helping the car rotate through corners in a way that a traditional AWD system simply cannot do. Honda has been developing this torque vectoring technology for a long time, and the Legend is getting the latest, most refined version of it. Fuel economy in hybrid mode? Around 35 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for a car with this much power. You are not giving anything up here. Inside, the cabin is genuinely impressive. Light gray leather seats, wide and supportive, a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen mounted high on the dashboard, so you don't have to look far down to see it. The ambient lighting runs along the door panels in a soft blue-white tone. The overall feeling inside is calm, premium, well thought out. Everything feels like it has a purpose. Honda clearly took their time here. Here's where it all lands. Honda is pricing the 2026 Legend starting around $52,000 for the base trim. The Sport Hybrid AWD version, which you're looking at in these images, comes in closer to $60,000. That puts it against the Toyota Avalon, the Acura TLX Type S, and to some extent the lower end of BMW and Mercedes territory. And here's the honest truth. At $60,000, looking like this, performing like this, with that hybrid system, Honda has a real case to make. This is not a budget car pretending to be premium. The design is genuinely striking, the performance numbers are real, and the technology under the hood is stuff Honda has been spending decades developing. The only real question is whether the market is ready to buy a full sedan again. SUVs have dominated for years, sedans have been struggling, but there's a group of people out there who never stopped wanting a proper car. Low to the ground, long, sleek, refined. Not an SUV, not a crossover, a sedan. And for those people, the 2026 Honda Legend just became a very serious option. Honda didn't just bring back the Legend, they brought it back with a point to prove.